Here's how to convert video to MP3. So whether you're on Windows or Mac, I use an app called ConvertSave that I just made with my brother. And so he's a software developer. We made this app. It's a file converter for images, video, and audio. So we grab some video files. It doesn't really matter what the video file is. In this case, I have MP4. Could also grab some MOV or any video file. Click and drag it into ConvertSave and just select your output. So you have a bunch of choices because you could also convert to video, but you can convert to MP3 as well, and just hit that convert button and it will save those files right next to where they came from, wherever you drag them in from. And so it's an easy way to batch convert or convert video to MP3. It's a file converter for media files right now. We'll add more support over time, but it's like images, audio, and video, and you can kind of go between hundreds of different conversions. So that's called ConvertSave. It works directly on your Windows or Mac machine, and it does not connect to the internet to do these conversions. So it's actually an offline converter. So you don't have to deal with any sketchy websites and upload your files and then have to download them and all that kind of stuff, right? All right, so that's ConvertSave. Thanks for your guys' support. If you want to check it out, there's a link in the description. And also you could just go to convertsave.com. I'll see you guys in the next one.